Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to fix trade settings and Tiger Trade. So here in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your settings here at Tiger Trade. So now let's get started. So here, as you can see right now, to change your settings here at Tiger Trade, all we need to do is open up our Tiger Trade. Once our Tiger Trade has been opened up, next step we want to do is go here to our profile in the bottom right corner. After pressing on our profile on bottom right corner, let's go to settings top right. And here, once you're here, as you can see right here, click on trade settings. Here, as you can see, we have a list of things that we can turn on and off. As you can see, we have the reminder for multi pricing, auto exit, auto trade. There we go. Market order risk notification, vibration for order, sound reminder for order field, add to watch list after ordering, extended trade hours, risk alert, stock risk warnings, and T plus 0 times to run out risking stock, short risk warning, option short risk warning, second confirmation of order details, fast trade order confirmation, quick modification confirmation, and off market order. And those are the stuff that are right here. So there you go, guys. There's a lot of options you can turn it on. And when you know it's turned on, it has this yellow color, as you can see right there. But when it's turned on, it becomes gray, that grayish color there. So yeah, there you go, guys. So as you can see, yeah, that's about it. And here you can see the future reverse settings. There you go. If you want to save it, just click on save on top right corner. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, if you have more questions, type in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.